Before you begin, remove the access panel and the front bezel. Removal. Rotate the drives cage in an upward position. Simultaneously push down on the latches on either side of the memory slot to release the memory module. Remove the memory module from the memory slot. Replacement. Ensure the latches on either side of the memory slot are open. Align the notch in the memory module with the key in the memory slot. Firmly press the memory module into the memory slot until the latches on either side snap into place and the memory module is fully seated. Rotate the drives cage to the downward position.